How's it going, rednecks? We're over here at the Peon's grandparents' house, and we are getting ready to tow bar the Neon with the Turtle because something we all knew was going to happen. Something broke on his 300 and some thousand-mile car. The transmission quit working, so we are going to tow bar this over to his shop, and tomorrow we are going to get this thing up in the air and try and figure out what happened. So yeah, let's hit the road. That's a real problem. You're gonna look like a real idiot right now. And Ratchet just ran into the stand, so the whole thing just shook. Start turning. Crank that baby.
Do what?
Crank it. Turn full right.
Full right?
Yeah.
Really testing the strength.
I don't know if my four-wheel drive's working. I can't move that heavy ass thing. Cut the video. I don't know what to do. We're gonna have to reassess the situation. Well guys, that was a pain in the butt. We had this car stuck for probably a good half hour. The Turtle was struggling quite a bit to get it through that deep and heavy snow, but we got it here.
I'm just really interested in looking.
I'm gonna pull the skid plate out.
Here, get the other piece to lay on there.
Yeah, that's more than enough. And unfortunately, the transmission is toast from what you see here on the floor. We got to decide what we're going to do tomorrow. We're either going to go look at some cars and look at some options, or we're going to see about fixing this. So back to you on that tomorrow. Well guys, it's the next morning, and as you can see, we've already torn a lot off the Neon because it is for sale and it is actually already sold. So the people coming to pick it up want just the motor out of it. So fortunately, we can take most of the stuff that we want off of it and need for the next gambler car. Guys, we got the motor out of the Subaru, and now we are going to do the timing belt and valve cover gaskets. standing back.
Okay.
Oil on it? Yeah, that's all that matters.
You're good.
Do it up.
Nothing.
Do it up.
I think the neutral safety switch is being done.
Really?
There's.
So I'm not even hearing the starter relay click.
She got the best of me.
I hear the relay in here firing.
Do you?
Yeah.
No, that's just the washer sprayer. Motor's locked up. It's like, what?
Now it's doing something.
What's it doing?
Won't let me shift out the cart.
You got your foot on the brake?
Yeah.
You got the key on?
When the dash clicks, when I push the button, it kind of.
See what this thing does.
Bet you purrs like a kitten.
Oh, that's oil burning. That's coming off your exhaust.
Oh, the oil leaks on the exhaust.
Oh yeah. That looks cool. I'm getting my camera. There's so much smoke coming out of your exhaust shields.
Yes, because all that oil runs through
It's all the oil leaking off the exhaust from the oil leaks from the valve covers that we fixed. Yeah, that's bad. Well, there you go, guys. The Subaru has a new timing belt on it, new valve cover gaskets because they were leaking, and we did spark plugs while we were at it because when you got the motor out, those are way easier to do in those boxer motors. As far as the neon goes, in true Craigslist and marketplace fashion, the buyer did not show up. So whenever you seem to have a cheap car online, the people can, for some reason, never commit to buying. But it's for sale still. We have a few people interested, and hopefully tomorrow it'll sell. So. like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work. Check it out, guys. My mom breeds Labradoodles, and she just had a litter. We're playing with them right now, my brother and his kid. Take a sneak peek. Oh, can't get through.
Oh, wow.
Hi. You see?
Oh, the puppy's here.
Hold it.
You want to hold it? Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Postal red.
Got Postal Redneck here checking out some puppies.
You want to hold it? Okay, hold on. You got
Sit down. Turn around.
What generation is this breed, Mom?
See, these are F1 BBs.
What? That. For the stupid people.
That means we took our lab and we bred it to a poodle, and then we bred that puppy to a poodle, and then we bred that puppy to a poodle.
We're on like the third generation.
Third generation.
Third generation. All right.
Beautiful.
There you go. I'll have to do weekly videos on them.
Cool.
Look at that little baby puppy. Yeah.
You see another one? You see another one?
Figured out.
You gotta be careful, Eli. You gotta.
Come over here.
You gotta sit over here.
Come here. Should we show it to Uncle Brian?
There you go.
Say hey. Eli, can you say Postal Redneck?
Say bye. He's so